This video will cover what a data breach is, how attackers steal sensitive data, and how you can defend against it. A data breach is an incident where sensitive, protected, or confidential information is accessed, stolen, or exposed without authorization. The stolen data can include names, emails, passwords, credit card numbers, social security numbers or IDs, and medical records. Any personal, financial, or confidential information can be a target. A typical company stores huge amounts of private customer data, such as login credentials, addresses, and credit card numbers, in a central customer database. In normal operation, legitimate users, like employees, securely access the data using encrypted connections. We will now look at how breaches happen, starting with the methods attackers use. The goal of an attacker is to exploit vulnerabilities to steal the valuable customer data stored in the database. Method 1 is phishing, where the attacker sends a fake email to an employee, tricking them into clicking a malicious link. The link leads the employee to a fake login page where they unknowingly enter their password, sending their credentials straight to the attacker. Method 2 exploits weak passwords. Attackers use brute force, trying millions of common passwords until one works and grants access to the data. Method 3 is malware. A malicious attachment, often disguised as an invoice, installs malware that quietly steals data from an infected computer. Ransomware is a worse form of breach, where the data is encrypted, and the attacker demands a hefty payment in Bitcoin for the decryption key. Method 4 is the insider threat. Sometimes, a disgruntled employee attempts to steal data, perhaps by copying files onto a USB drive. Method 5 is the exposed cloud. A misconfigured cloud bucket can mistakenly be set to, quote, public, exposing sensitive data to the entire internet. Method 6 involves unpatched software. Outdated software has known security holes or vulnerabilities that attackers can easily exploit. Now let's explore the consequences of a data breach and why they matter. Once stolen, data is sold on dark web marketplaces. The prices depend on the data type, ranging from thousands for mails and passwords to tens of thousands for full SSN databases. Breaches cause significant financial damage. The average cost per breach in 2024 is $4.88 million. It takes an average of 287 days to detect and contain a breach, and 60% of small businesses close within 6 months of a major cyber attack. The damage affects everyone. Customers suffer from identity theft, companies face fines and disruption, reputations are destroyed, and legal penalties can be up to 4% of revenue. Next, we will focus on the practical steps you can take to defend against data breaches. Defense 1 is multi-factor authentication, or MFA. Even if an attacker steals a password, they still need the second factor, like a code from your phone, to gain access. Defense 2 is encryption. Sensitive data should be encrypted, transforming plain text into an unusable format. Without the decryption key, the data is useless to an attacker. Defense 3 is patching and training. Keep your software up to date to close vulnerabilities. Also, train your employees to spot and avoid phishing attempts. Defense 4 is monitoring. Use security logs to detect and block threats instantly, such as a brute force attack, and notify the security team immediately. These 4 rules form a strong defense: strong authentication, encryption, patching, and monitoring. Follow them to stop most breaches before they start. Massive breaches happen every year, affecting millions of records at major companies like Yahoo, Equifax, and Facebook. No organization is immune. The key takeaways are that a breach is unauthorized data access, often caused by weak security, and the resulting damage is severe. The best defense involves MFA, encryption, patching, and continuous monitoring. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech explainers.